In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your email inbox to Close CRM. This process is essential for streamlining your communication and ensuring that all your important emails are seamlessly integrated into your CRM system. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to Close. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to the Close CRM website. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials so you can access your account. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already comfortable with it. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but for today, we're focusing on the Settings option. Go ahead and click on Settings. This area is where you can manage various aspects of your Close CRM account, including integrations like the one we're setting up today. After you've clicked on Settings, you'll want to scroll down until you see Accounts and Apps. This section is crucial as it houses all the connections and integrations you can make with your Close CRM account. Click on Accounts and Apps, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can manage these connections. On this new page, look for the option to Add Account. This is typically straightforward to find, but if you're having any trouble, just take your time and scan through the page. Clicking on Add Account initiates the process of connecting your email to Close CRM. It's an important step, so ensure that you click the correct button. Upon clicking Add Account, you'll be presented with options for choosing an email account. This is where you select the email service you want to connect with Close. The system will guide you through the process to ensure that your account is set up for sending and receiving emails directly through Close. Additionally, if your email provider supports it, you'll also be able to sync calendars, which is a fantastic feature for keeping all your communications and schedules in one place. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your email inbox to Close CRM. This integration will help you manage your emails more efficiently within the CRM, ensuring that your communications are organized and accessible. Remember, this setup not only streamlines your workflow, but also enhances your productivity by centralizing your email interactions within Close CRM. If you encounter any issues or have questions, Close's support resources are a great place to find additional help. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your newly connected email and CRM experience.